So very good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I am just going to give you overview about QSAR studies, which are widely used in the drug discovery. These quantitative structure activity relationship studies are used to predict the activity of the compounds, and activity can be anything. Activity can be desired or undesired, so you can predict all both types of activity by using QSAR studies. So how to do these studies? First thing is, to do these studies you should have the set of known compounds with known activity. What does it means? You should have the compounds and their experimental values of that particular against that particular target. So the question is, from where you will get these set of known compounds with known activity? The well known is Campbell. Just type in a Google Campbell. Go to this Campbell tool, where you in search items you put the target name. Suppose you are interested for acetylcholinesterase, just put the name of acetylcholinesterase, and then you can extract the compounds, particularly the compound who has already tested in the experiments and their IC50 values. So you will get a set of known compounds with their known activity. So this is the first step. Second is, and then make in a put data in a Excel sheet. One set is known compounds and another is their IC50 value, that is biological activity. So next step, you have to be determine the descriptors of the molecule which you have extracted, that are the known compounds. So descriptors means the characteristics of your compounds, that could be molecular weight, log P, polarity, refractivity, polar surface area. There are so many descriptors. So how you can calculate these descriptors of particular molecules? You can use a freely available online servers like well-knowns are E-Dragon and Pedals. So you have to put the molecules, they will calculate the descriptors of that molecules. So after descriptor calculations, you have to be decide which descriptors are important for the biological activity. For example, with increasing or decreasing in molecular weight, your biological activity is also decreasing or increasing. So you will get an idea, yes, this descriptor is important. But practically when you will do by these online web servers, you will get number of descriptor, and it's very difficult to decide which descriptor is important, which is not. So for the sorting of descriptor also, there are a free tools also. By using that one, you can uh, see which descriptors are important or which are not important. After that one, you have to be do the multiple linear regression, that you can do by using simple Excel sheet also, where you have a number of compounds in one column and others are a descriptors, 5, 6, or 7 descriptor depending upon your experiments. So and last column is your biological activity. So you have to be do a multiple regression analysis, and multiple regressions analysis. By using that one, you can generate a QSAR equation, and that equation you will use to check the activity of unknown compounds. But before using that equations, you have to be validate that equation. How to validate the equations? Suppose you have generated a equation. This is the equations for the to check the activity of activity of compounds against acetylcholinesterase. So you have extracted suppose 30 compounds from the Campbell, that is a known compound and known biological activity. So keep 1 or 2 molecule for the testing purpose. So because you already knows these are the experimental molecules, so their IC50 value is also known. But keep them just to check the equation whether equation is working or not. So put that molecules, calculate their IC50 value by using this QSAR equation, and then see how much close it is whatever is predicted experimentally. So that will be called validations of that QSAR equations, and then you can check the predict the activity of unknown compounds against that particular target for which you have extracted from the particular database. If you this whatever the example I have given example for the acetylcholinesterase. Like that, you can check the activity of a known compound against any other targets also. So this is just a overview about QSAR studies. What is there, how you can do it. I hope you will get an idea.